It's done. Oh. So our test fits pretty good. What I've done is I've taken out these two screws. I put in longer ones. And then we're going to put nuts and washers on them here to hold this up in place. Here, let's see if I can get to focus. And then we're going to run our zip tie through here. And I put holes in this on the bottom side. And we're running another zip tie up here. And I have this at an angle to kind of lift this up so it's not wanting to go under all the time. We got our nuts and washers on. Zip ties are in. I might flip that one over. There, that makes me feel better. To get the zip tie in, I did use a little screwdriver and kind of push the cable over to one side, slide it through, and push the cable back and slide it back through. So I went through and I did my testing, and sorry I lost my video that I shot doing my testing, but it is working and working good. I did have a problem with it just clearing the motor over here. So what I've done is on the model I've uploaded, I've made this side, took it from 3mm to 1.5 millimeters. So it has another 16th inch clearance, and so it should work well for any printers where the bed is shifted just a little bit. I'm working on a prototype for that side, but so far it's been a little sketchy. If you'd like to download the corner bed locator for Anycubic Kobra 2 Max with cable management, you can download it from printables.com 661144 or makerworld.com number 75331. Both are under the account tooling_Lee.